Let's get seated. Welcome on the show, ladies and gentlemen. Muli bulungi, oli bulungi.
Atosi.
Oruko rungi.
And actually, yesterday I told you to learn how to speak Luganda.
Ashaba, you are doing a disservice to this gentleman right here. Toka Obwegyese bigambo kabiri by'orukiga n'ebyo nyankore. Waji, get the microphone.
He knows a few words.
Which ones have you taught him already?
He knows Agandi. He knows Webalenyo.
Okay, Agandi.
No.
Anyways, happy to have you on the show. Ladies and gentlemen, go to Atavagambe and Sakwanto Gitaho abeeshongozi. And that is Ashaba music. All the way kuruga chigezi. And I'm going to twin, you know, Arthur C.
All the way from Nigeria.
All the way from Nigeria.
Lagos.
First say hi to the people. First say hi to the people that are watching you for the very first time on TV West.
Hagandi, everyone watching this evening, I thank you all. It's me, Atasi. Yeah.
Okay. Asa. I mean, because of the accent, people are like Atasi. Not Asa. 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 Ashaba music.
Yeah.
Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people.
Muragambachi. Ndio wakunu ndaruga Kabale okweka tuna border, and it's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, always a pleasure.
Always. Bitu nyonda kunda ekintu kimwe bam oragamba jo reshongora jeruyare mwendo buri kimwe nda kokari zamkwinire kibuzo very serious. So how you guys connect you na Lagos to Nigeria, because and even someone told me that you're from studio working another project with a Zambian man.
AI.
Somewhere jamkwata na muta iwena na Arthur C.
We met on Instagram. That's what I'm saying. AI, artificial intelligence. Akari Nigeria and Kabale yanyohereza message ya Instagram yanjira ngo I want to work with you. Then yanyohereza echeshongora WhatsApp. Nachitara my producer twatamu voice twabyohereza Lagos babheza hata ijere tukore video.
When the video take a while.
It's in the pipeline.
Arthur C, you do have songs like you know, On Fire and Every Girl. So when do you join music? When do you be like, you know what, it's about that time I start my career in music?
Okay, I've been into music for years, but recently last year I said let me follow my purpose. So I got to follow my talent and develop it and make it. So I'm seeing the green light on it.
Okay, and now I want you to take us back, you know, to your country, because currently Nigeria is one of the superpowers in Africa when it comes to music. When it comes to music, how are you guys? What's the technique are you guys using back home?
It's consistency, and also you put effort. Not when you drop a song, you leave the industry and spend years and come back. Nobody will remember you again. So you need to be there steady and push on.
Okay, choninjera abeeshongozi ba Western Uganda twine kuchikopa. You know, most of the artists kuni have twine, they release a song, they're like, Iceman nakuchitera. Bachirgaho. But no, nkoko yaga mangu back home, akakodia kwa dino bakozesa bono ba pushing and bademeraho. Yashoza cheshongoro na inekora chi
pushing akatemeraho
akarevuka, you know, achatambra kurunji. So Ashaba told us you guys are connected through Instagram. Whose idea was it? Did you follow her, like, you know, before and you listened to her music, or all she did tap on you?
No, I was the one to make the first move, because I saw her performance and the voice, and I said this can work for us. I initiated the idea for us to make a collab first, but I listened to one of my songs. I said she can fit into this song. I sent her the data to voicing, and she did well, perfect.
Okay, so Ashaba, you're going international. One of the Nigeria. Nigeria, Kakurumba Kajat, you know what, let's do something.
Yeah, to Gambia, in a collaboration, in a Kora, Yagai,
Yataka Chigambe.
You're not in a go. So, Wajango, Alna Jana International is true. Asha Music International. Kongota Kanyewa.
Yeah, actually, kwiyanyohereza message nkani yana kumublocking ano maba Nigerian tubatina no bachara kwija bakwira kututeko mu group bwe sente za mangu so ngagira nti
ekirunje cyo tiyakicenga reka tugumuzemo.
Yeah, but when he sent the work and I sent to Nez Avatar, my producer,
Yeah, Nez
you know him
Avatar,
already.
Port Bev Drive.
Yeah, Port Bev Drive.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I voiced, we sent back, and the song came out like a week later. He has a whole EP on Spotify.
And then, see, talking about that song,
Yeah.
because Nanimpura Ruhanga, is it a gospel song?
Yeah, it's a prayer for money.
Wow.
And God is the provider.
Wow.
So the song, the Tinye Naza means fund my account.
Njano horaba Nigeria ne sente.
You get it. So it's fund my account.
Yeah, wow.
Ruhanga barwe akutere sentom account otashabiriza abantu, you know, you don't need to beg any human being. You get
Nanye Ruhanga nanyawe eine chatira account mostly nowadays.
Yeah, so the song is a prayer for God to put money on the account. Kandi nyenda kuongezerezaho kachachi ya gamba. Kuno nkozire collabos with a few people.
Yeah.
Konko mwe no yeto muntu ngija tu premiere ngecheshongoro. Babateka flyer umuntu ayanga kwija. Oshwara. Konko kwa atembere nyonyija tukore video tumenyeshwa twachi pushinga, you know, beyond Nigeria, beyond Uganda.
Na video nayo mukikore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm blessed to work with this gentleman.
Aho nyene kugira ngo ekiya tugambire nje riba kupushinga music yabo ineke nguza kumbuza after like back home to make a song you know become a hit song, do you guys have to be in, you know, big labels? Because we've seen the Marvins, we see you know, that label that belongs to Olamide. How do you guys do? Or you as well have artists that do push their music individually?
You know, music in Nigeria is very big, and you have to be in the big labels, or you have your own money to sponsor yourself, or you have people sponsoring.
So back home, it's all about the money. If you don't have the money, you're not in the game.
Seriously. Yeah, you need to have people backing you up, and you need to have the talent. But most people don't have the talent. They have writers, they have the voice, so they have the money to sponsor. You understand? So for we struggle to come up.
So do you have a label that you are signed under, or you are still struggling individually?
Yeah, I'm not actually struggling because God is my strength. Yes, yes. So God is with me. I have a label I work with, Be Right Bands Global. It's an entertainment company. So we are into entertainment. We push shows, and it's a growing company too. I think we are going to boom by this year.
Wow.
Ata tuteko mukao witu ninja mwachura bashamu na watu aonoka respect abeeshongozi bacheyiya wale ntano saheri mu Nigeria kandi wo otinemu no gumana music yawe ubyeshongora kandi basi no basakubati musente koko ine talent iyo kubasa kandika na nokola chin na nokweshongora. So I think
no funaba
writers ba ekintu bakola ki bachikutereza and then ataha I don't know Ashaba music nikinyenda kuchikubuza iwe no teka ngo nana nchibasa kukorwa omu Uganda yitu nkeji mostira hamba rumba nyankore bitu
ninjira already hinaba kuchikora aho kwatu kugira ngo buri mweshongozi na handikira hati nyowe ninyehandikira konka tubona mweshongozi na handikira hinaba kugure byeshongoro biri already made bakata mu voice then
right. Okay, back to Arthur. Monday, you should talk to that man because me.
Anyways,
you
Arthur,
talk to your man.
Are you looking forward to working with, you know, more of Ugandan artists, or it's done and sealed with Ashaba?
We just have a new song. Just today, we met with a Zambian, so...
You recorded another song also?
Yes.
Still with Ashaba? No, like, I mean, other artists apart from her. Yes. Are you looking forward to working with them?
Sure, of course. I'm looking at more bigger artists, maybe underground artists in Uganda. I can work with them. We are all Africans.
You can mention some.
Mingle with each other to share culture and heritage.
True.
Okay, apart from Ashaba, which other musicians do you know in Uganda?
I know Eddie Kenzo. I know, what's his name? There's one guy.
You can mention the song if you know any.
I know this guy is Salty Soul. From Uganda.
Salty Soul is from
no.
Kenya.
That is Kenya.
Okay, yeah. So mostly I know Palazzo.
Palazzo, yeah.
Okay.
So only in Uganda, you know only 2 artists. Eddie Kenzo and Palazzo.
Yesterday he was talking about Nina Rose.
Joshua Baraka.
Oh, Joshua Baraka.
And Nina Rose.
Yes, I know. What's her name?
Nina?
Is it? Yes, Rose. Nina Rose. Yes.
Okay.
Eh.
Wanina Rosa kamanya hochi. Over the Uganda, because currently everyone is releasing longer music. Anyways, your last, comments. Say hi to the people that are watching you for the very first time, and maybe you can let them know, how they can get your music.
Okay, I would say first of all, shout out to Uganda, shout out to Kampala, shout out to Mbarara, shout out to Kabale, where I was first, I landed, and shout out to Africa as a whole. And TV West is the best. You guys should keep on tuning to TV West always. And shout out to all the MCs and DJs and the crew that is here today, and also to Ashaba that bringing me to this place.
Okay.
I can't be here. So it's a privilege to be here. So you guys should go and stream my song. YouTube, Amazon, any streaming platform, I'm there. You can find me at Atosi. That is Arthur. The C is just C-E-E.
Done.
Okay.
Ashab.
No, before Ashaba, midweek, you guys did premiere this song somewhere. And I saw you going into the crowd picking someone with Nyash. So I don't know whether Ashaba has done you good in terms of that. Your microphone is here. Tell me more about that.
The song I was doing that night was all about booty. What we say, I want to see your booty bounce. Yeah, it's talking about Nyash. So I saw the girl, she was so okay, so I wanted to just show.
So has Ashaba worked on you?
No.
Ashaba, why are you too selfish? Okay.
So ebigabira byamhero Ashaba.
Yeah. Mwebale mnonga kuhajira music yitu, especially I specifically want to thank program yo Omuneneserezo because numujeza wa mno kuleta music ya Chigezi kunu, and it is really, really, really nice to know that Nasho Zeche Shongoro and I reach out, you're willing to do this for us, Awakwa tukabent shwara kuleta omuntu kuruga Nigeria akatembe nyonyi akagwa Kigali okamurabi akabara okamusya Mbarara bakanga kwa interview. So we are really grateful that you give us a platform without holding back. So tubebaza ku streaming na music yitu nyine music yanje burhamwe YouTube, Spotify, Ashaba Music. Mugubeni muhuriza music yitu kwena ngunite twagira heru mutwe sims.
Apart from the collabo you have with Atasi, twine cheshongo single Nehinda so fati no pushing at this collab.
Of course, apart from album ina benabaretire ya nyonyozi, ate numuni nkora EP ya reggae music only. So neza kushohora umwaka gutaka huire. Neza kubeye n'ibishongoro bitanu.
Okay, nuwogwe Ashaba Music.
Ariyo season. Valentine's, yeah, because man, I know abeeshongozi abakweshongora that kind of music you do. Can I call it soul? It is so, right? This is about that time. Bari mukasente, bari mu season. So bantumwe abi nemyanya yo kushemera mu abeeshongozi bitumba booking, ndiye Valentine basekwa anu bakora akasente. So Ashaba Music turukendera this year wakawashi tugambiro, but there are people that are watching for the very first time. What should we expect? Apart from the reggae you are tugambire yo Neija, are we seeing more collaborations?
Turmun turonda abantu abari within Uganda, out of Uganda, abakwa wayesiba omurkabare ningo kesibo Mbarara abandi tubara kumanye juba. So turmun tugeza kuronda abantu abari like minded, so that wakora project etafero mu studio omuntu apushing niwe mu traveling, so ndumuni ndonda abantu abari like minded.
Beautiful. So turukendera reka tubase kwa tugaka muntu batere cheshongoro aichibarukweta tinyem na aza. What does it mean though?
Ruhanga ku centum account.
Which language?
Igbo.
Yes. So in Igbo, I want you to tell the people that are watching in Igbo. because we are now getting international. We need to learn these languages. I want you to get this microphone, introduce the song in Igbo.
In the Igbo language.
Ashaba, you will get the microphone, introduce the song in
Igbo language.
Not in Igbo, of course.
Of
in
course.
Uruchiga.
In Uruchiga.
In Uruchiga. Introduce in Igbo, introduce it in Uruchiga, give a credit to the producers of the song, and maybe the person that is going to shoot the video officially will premiere the song. Igbo first.
Okay. Ekene kwa mun. Asibun die na akpọ egwu a tinye na aza. Ka Chukwu na-etela anyị niile na aza. Ndị Nigeria ekenekwe m, ndị Igbo ekene m, Yoruba, Hausa ekenekwe m. Asị m niile nke onye Chinyazeli, onye ọbụla sọpọtụ ya anyị na-eme, nyakwado ya anyị na-eme ka ọ na-aga n'iru, na-aga m n'iru ka anyị na-achọ na mba ụwa niile. Ndị onye melụ ego a wee dị otu a, Kelvin Drez, ekenekwa gị, kenekwe ndị ọzọ.
Na huramuga nacho. Ashaba.
Abudewa.
Ekishongoro chitu fund my account ninga ruhangampa sento account yanje ntwena mu kikunde kandi mugume mu kitambuza, produced by Kelvin in Nigeria hamwe na Nez Avatar Uganda. Turumu tutambuza ekishongoro chitu tsoni mu kikunde kwenda unite tuze international.
Iceman DJ, let's dance.